Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best toothbrush holders in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is OXO-Good Grip Stainless Steel Toothbrush Organizer. This OXO-Good Grip Stainless Steel Toothbrush Organizer is the ideal way to keep your toothbrush and other toiletry items organized and ready to use. The sleek and modern design of this toothbrush holder will look great in any bathroom. Its stainless steel construction ensures that it is durable and long-lasting. The bottom of this toothbrush holder is lined with non-slip grip pads to keep it in place, while the top features curved corners, making it easy to reach. Its 9.75-inch height is perfect for holding up to 4 toothbrushes and other bathroom items. With its modern look and easy-to-use design, this toothbrush holder is a great addition to any bathroom. Pros: easy to install with no tools required. Keeps toothbrushes clean and organized. Sturdy stainless steel construction. Compact size, fits in most bathrooms. Non-slip bottom prevents sliding. Cons: expensive compared to other organizers. Not suitable for larger toothbrushes. Not aesthetically pleasing. Number 2. Our second best pick is iHave Toothbrush Holders. The iHave Toothbrush Holders are the perfect accessory to help you organize and store your bathroom essentials while on the go. This 3-cup toothbrush holder comes with a cover to keep your toothbrushes and other items fresh and clean. It is designed to fit easily in any RV, camper, or other small bathroom space. The included cover helps keep out dust and dirt, and the holders have a secure snap fit for a tight hold. The holders are made of durable plastic, so you can be sure that your toothbrush holders will last for years. Whether you're traveling or just looking for some extra organization and storage, the iHave toothbrush holders are a must-have for your RVing and camping needs. Pros: keeps toothbrushes organized and clean. Easy to install. Versatile and can be used in RV bathrooms and other areas. Comes with 3 cups and covers. Made of high-quality material. Cons: not suitable for large families. May be difficult to keep clean. Limited color options available. Number 3. Our third best pick is mDesign Plastic Toothbrush Storage Organizer Holder. The mDesign Plastic Toothbrush Storage Organizer Holder with cup is the perfect way to keep your bathroom organized. This storage holder has 2 compartments and a cup that is perfect for storing all of your toothbrush and toothpaste needs. The holder is made of durable plastic and is perfect for any bathroom, vanity, or countertop space. The unique design allows you to easily store and organize your toothbrushes, toothpaste, floss, and other dental accessories. The base is wide enough to ensure the holder stays stable and the cup is removable for easy cleaning. Keep your bathroom neat and tidy with the mDesign Plastic Toothbrush Storage Organizer Holder with cup. Pros: can store multiple items such as toothbrushes, toothpaste, dental floss, and other dental accessories. Made of durable plastic material. The cup design allows for easy access to items. Perfect for bathrooms, vanities, and countertops. Ideal for saving space. Cons: plastic material may not be as durable as other materials. Limited capacity for storing items. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Airmoon Mini Ceramics Handmade Couple Toothbrush Holder Stand. This Airmoon Mini Ceramics handmade couple toothbrush holder stand is the perfect addition to any bathroom vanity countertop. This mini holder is made from high-quality ceramic material and features a unique and elegant design. With its 2 compartments, this stand can hold 2 toothbrushes and keep them separate while keeping your bathroom looking stylish. It has a glossy finish that will add a touch of class to any decor. This holder is also easy to clean, so you can keep it looking like new for a long time. Add a touch of luxury to your bathroom with this Airmoon Mini Ceramics handmade couple toothbrush holder stand. Pros: handmade with ceramics, making it durable and long-lasting. Unique design and shape adds a decorative touch to the bathroom. Can be used to store 2 toothbrushes, making it convenient and space-saving. Easy to clean and maintain. Cons: not suitable for larger toothbrushes. May not be as stable as other stands on the market. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Simple Life Toothbrush Holder. The Simple Life Toothbrush Holder is the perfect way to store your toothbrushes and keep them organized in your bathroom. The suction cup design makes it easy to mount on any smooth surfaces such as tile or mirror. It is also wall-mountable and will not fall off due to the strong suction cup. This toothbrush holder is ideal for any size bathroom and provides a convenient storage solution. With its sleek and modern design, this toothbrush holder will add a touch of style to your bathroom. Keep your toothbrushes neat and tidy with the Simple Life Toothbrush Holder. Pros: easy to install and use. Compact and space-saving design. Stays put on the wall, do not fall. Includes a suction cup, mirror, and tile. Keeps toothbrushes organized. Cons: not suitable for tiles larger than 6 inches. Does not come with mounting hardware. Only available in one color. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.